Good morning, dear friends. Here is a notification as you are observing on the screen. That is notification 101 by 2025. This is a direct recruitment to the posts of court masters or personal secretaries to the honorable judges and registrars in the service of the High Court for the state of Telangana. So, just you are observing here court masters and personal secretaries to the honorable judges and registrars. And this is completely online mode to apply, but not offline mode. Online mode you have to apply. This notification issued yesterday only, that is 2nd January 2025. But the applications starts to take from 8th January 2025 and last date is 31st January 2025. And the website is here, it is given https colon slash slash teshc.gov.in. So if you click on the website, automatically you will get all the particulars, dear friends. And if you are asking like that to send a link like that, but it is very easy. If you go through this website, you will get all the information, dear friends. And we'll see important dates. Date of publication of the notification is 2nd January 2025. That means yesterday only the notification given, and starting date of submission of online application is 8th January 2025. Today's date is 3rd January, so that we have more 4 days time is there to apply, to start to apply. So you keep ready all your certificates, etc., to upload through online mode. And last date is 31st January 2025. Just to treat it as you have 25 days time. But you do not think like that to go for end of the date, but try to apply within the time only to avoid ambiguous situations, dear friends. And here it is important, the thing it is given by the High Court in the notification. What is that means? Starting date for submission of online application for eligible contract and outsourcing employees working in the service of the High Court for the state of Telangana and head office of the Telangana State Legal Services Authority, Hyderabad, and in the Telangana High Court Legal Services Committee, Hyderabad. So that this is a good opportunity to the employees who are working on the basis of contractual as well as outsourcing. They are also eligible to apply, and for them the last date is for outsourcing and contract employees, the online applications starts from 10th February 2025, dear friends. And the closing date it is given for them is that 25th 2nd 2025 for outsourcing and contractual only. Do not confuse, dear friends. For general it is 31st January 2025 last date, but only contractual and outsourcing employees who are working in high courts and in state legal services authority and in the High Court Legal Services Committee who are working in that departments, they may apply up to 25th February 2025. And download of hall tickets for skill test, they may be intimated later. And skill test date also they may be intimated later. And you see here vacancy positions in different categories are there. In total, 12 vacancies are there, dear friends. And you see the High Court for the state of Telangana reserves the right to increase or decrease the number of vacancies or cancel the notification at any stage without assigning any reason whatsoever. So that is common instruction in any notification, dear friends. And educational qualifications, it is important. Just you see, dear friends, here it is degree any degree is required to apply and must have passed the government technical examination with a speed of 180 words per minute in English shorthand. However, candidates who have passed 150 words per minute in English shorthand test can also apply. So that they are saying like that the notification for 180 words per minute candidates actually, but also they are saying and instructing like that who have passed 150 also may apply. Just they are indicating, dear friends. And C must have passed the government technical examination in typewriting higher grade in English with a speed of 45 words per minute. So that typewriting English higher grade they are asking. And the candidates should possess all the requisite qualifications as indicated above as on the date of publication of this notification, so that all certificates should be there like that at the time of applying of this notification, dear friends. That is, and also here it is important instruction only, this is also note it is given. The applicants who have passed the aforesaid shorthand and typewriting examinations from government technical education boards or institutions other than the Telangana State Board of Technical Education, they have to submit the equivalency certificate from the Telangana State Board of Technical Education, dear friends. So that sister states are also eligible according to this instruction. It is saying like that, dear friends, from Andhra Pradesh, from Tamil Nadu, or sister states concerned, Kerala, Karnataka. If you are interested to apply, then you have to take the equivalency certificate from Telangana Technical Education Board. That means you have to submit your 150 or 180 certificate in SBTET Telangana. Then they will issue based on your certificate. They will issue suitable, I mean equivalency certificate. Then only you have to apply for this vacancy. Without equivalency certificate from other states, friends, it is not applicable, I think so. So if you are interested to apply from sister states concerned, you have to approach SBTET Telangana board to take that certificate as early as possible, because only 25 days time is there for this. So you take care of yourselves, dear friends, like that. And now we'll see the age limit. Age limit, it is given 34 years, from 18 years to maximum age is 34 years. But the age maximum age is relaxable for 5 years for SCST and BC and EWS candidates are applicable more 5 years relaxation, so that 39 years it is there like that. And for in case of persons with disability shall be given age relaxation 10 years, dear friends. So just you take care of that. And and this is general instructions, you go through it. And reservation also according to rules, according to government rules it will be taken, just you go through it. And it is important for us to see here method of recruitment, it is given here. The selection process will be on the basis of merit, evaluated by skill tests in shorthand English 180 words per minute for 2.5 minutes duration, and 150 words per minute 3 minutes duration. So that here two kinds of dictations they are going to give you, they are going to dictate. That means 180 words per minute dictation for 2.5 minutes, and after that immediately they may dictate 3 minutes duration at the rate of 150 words per minute. That means in total 5.5 minutes dictation as you are going to be taken. So the same, the transcription to be done on computers, not on typewriters, on computers, dear friends, within 40 and 45 minutes respectively. So for 180 words per minute and 150 words per minute, you have to complete your transcription on computers within 40 and 45 minutes respectively. So that is, you keep in mind, that is important point, dear friends. And the set skill tests will be for 90 marks, and oral interview will be for 10 marks. So that for skill tests 5.5 minutes, you will be given 90 marks, I mean maximum marks, and for oral interview it will be 10 marks. In total 100 marks question. It is there like that, dear friends. And minimum qualifying nature also given here. The minimum qualifying marks to be secured in the skill tests, that is shorthand English examinations comprising of dictation of 180 words per minute, 2.5 minutes duration, and 150 words per minute, 3 minutes duration, and transcription to be done on computers within 40 and 45 minutes respectively, will be 45%. I mean minimum qualifying marks 45% for OC and EWS, and 40% marks to BC candidates, and 35% of marks for SC, ST and PWD candidates. So just you keep in mind, dear friends, and just to understand that what percentage as you are going to be. And here this is also important points as we have to go through it. The candidates qualified in the skill tests, shorthand English examination comprising of dictation and transcription will be shortlisted in the ratio of 1 is to 3 of the notified available vacancies for candidate verification prior to the oral interview, and the candidates who are eligible will be called for oral interview from the said ratio. So that how many vacancies are there, dear friends? 12 vacancies. 12 into 3, I think 36. So that they are going to call you 36 candidates for oral interview. After that only, based on that skill test and based on oral interview, they are going to be selected, I think. So that is. And also weightage of marks will be given to the candidates presently working on contract and outsourcing basis in the service of the High Court, etc., etc. Already we discussed about that. So that, dear friends, weightage is going to be given to the candidates who are working already on contractual and outsourcing basis in that unit. So that is also the matter. Let us see, dear friends. And here they have to put, but they have the outsourcing and contractual service candidates have to put at least 2 years, I mean at least 2 years of service by the date of publication of this notification. And they have secured minimum qualifying marks in the skill test as per prescribed, what the prescribed prescription it is I mean what is the instruction given, that is, so that minimum 2 years as well as minimum marks should be there. Without minimum marks, their candidature is not going to be taken into consideration, dear friends. And no person shall be eligible to eligible for appointment to the service by direct recruitment unless she satisfies the following conditions, that is, the candidate should be in sound health and active habits, and his or her character and antecedents are such as to qualify him her for such service, and the candidate must be a citizen of India. That is, dear friends. And regarding examination fees, here it is given 600 rupees, 600 rupees for all, I mean OC and BC candidates, and for SC, ST, EWS categories and ex-servicemen, for 400 rupees fee you have to pay, dear friends. And that fee, the application or examination fee is to be remitted through online only, online payment only. This is and merit list. You see, dear friends, this is also important only for us to discuss. Merit list will be based on the consolidated marks obtained by the candidates in the skill test, that is shortened English examination, 180, 150 respectively, and transcription so and so, so and so. Already we have discussed about that. So that based on skill test only, they are going to be given the appointments. And you see, this is also important in instruction, where more than two or more candidates get equal number of consolidated marks in the said shortened examinations and oral interview, the elder in age will be considered for provisional selection. In case of a tie in age also, the candidate with highest marks in the prescribed education qualification would be considered. So that is, dear friends. And the documents, all the relevant documents you have to bring at the time of certificate verification, what it is saying, like that. And all the instructions, general instructions, here it is given. You go through every point, just you try to read. Not try, you must read if you want to apply. Then only you can understand what it is going to be. And these are all general instructions, is to take care of that. General instructions, due to the thing, it is not important to explain each and every word from my side. It is important from your side to go through if you are interested and to apply, dear friends. And these are all general instructions only. These are all general instructions, so you go through it. That's it. So that this is the notification from High Court of Telangana to apply for the posts of personal secretaries or court masters. So that the pay scale also given, good pay scale here. uh, I mean, including all elements, you may get about 85 to 1 lakh in between the salary approximately. So that sister state friends, I mean, you may apply. You do not think like that only Telangana people, of course Telangana, but also they are considering for sister states certificates also, so that you may apply and check your luck, dear friends. Anyway, thank you very much. This is the information from my side.